The Spring Festival is one of the most important festivals for Chinese people, and it is the very beginning of the new year on the lunar calendar. The first thing on the list is to prepare food and dishes for the family meal. This year, we prepared lamb chop, hairtail, shrimp, beef, pork, and some vegetables. While we are waiting for the delicious dinner, each of us is chatting and making the main course of the evening, dumplings. Different fillings and different shapes of dumplings satisfy our vision and taste buds. Preparing for the Spring Festival can be a challenge for everyone because it needs teamwork. Well, I'd like to say family work. Every member should take part in this progress, which will enhance the connection between us. During the festival, hang out with parents and grandparents is a wonderful thing. We go to a park and accidentally there is a folklore performance showing citizens an interesting and traditional way to celebrate the Spring Festival. So many elements are involved in, such as donkey, the god of fortune, big head, etc. This is a funny one. Pig Ba Jie carries his beautiful wife is a story from Journey to the West. Bustling ancient streets, lively cities, happy smiling faces, exquisite ancient buildings. All of this make the Spring Festival more fascinating. This year's Spring Festival has passed. People are full of expectations for the new year. I hope that in the new year, we can all be happy, wealthy, and have a bright future.